In this video, I will show you how to add a voiceover in Pictory. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are on Pictory.ai. What I'm going to do is load up one of my projects. I'm just going to come across to my projects. I'm just going to load up this one, show you what to do. And as you can see, we're now here on the project. So to go ahead and add a voiceover, it's very easy to do. What you want to do is come to the left-hand side and click onto the audio option. Next, if you look at the top, you've got some different options like background music, my uploads, and you can see the voiceover option there. So what you want to do is click onto this, and then what you can do is choose which voiceover you want to apply. So you can see there's a ton of different ones. You can filter these as well by languages, gender, and the speeds that you want voiceover to be. And if you want to preview any of these voices, just go ahead and click the play button next to the voice. So for example, if I wanted to see what Tom sounded like, what I would do is click the play button.
Welcome to Pictory. It has been shown that video increases conversion rate by 80%.
And I can just stop that there. And if I'm happy and I want to go ahead, if you hover over the voiceover, you can see the apply button. So all you want to do is click onto apply, and that's going to apply the voiceover to your project. So now if I go ahead and click the preview button, you can see that saved. If I click the preview button, we'll now see what this sounds like. So we've now got our preview ready to go, and you'll see straight away as soon as I start playing, the voiceover is going to be applied.
Jetting stands in front of a captivating lion poster, holding a microphone. Jason, excitedly, welcome, fellow wildlife enthusiasts.
And that's all there is to it. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If it did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.